Hello everyone. Today we will see in the Excel how to record our data, how to make a diary, how to post our new ideas and save our details in the Excel. I use the Facebook template to work out this. So I will open the Excel file. So first of all we will enable the content. You can see this is like a Facebook template. You can see this is home menu, videos, marketplace, groups, gaming, notifications, and menu. These things we have, and also the profile. You can see in the profile, you can see in this picture. In the profiles, we have personal details. We will click this command button. In this text box, you can write your personal details and you can save this workbook. Let's select this command button. Another textbooks, education. You can write your education. Click this. Here you can write your work experience, project experience, and here you can write skills, extracurriculars, achievements. You can record your socials and other details you can type. For each command buttons, each text boxes will be in the front. You can see I will select this text box. In the text box you can, in the name box you can see that is named as other details. So you can record your personal details and everything here by clicking this command button, and you can write whatever you want. This is in the profile, this button. This is the home button. You can see here also few text boxes as post, what we are doing in the Facebook, like posting things. We can write something new ideas, or writing like in the diary. You can writing and save them. You can see I will create a new post. Are you sure you want to post? We'll click yes. What's your post title? Here already a post 2 is there. So I will type post 2. Here you type the name. This is going to be the name of this text box that will be named in the name box. So write a single word. If you are writing more than words, don't keep the spaces. Keep underscore like that. So let's click OK. Name already taken. Post with another name. So unique names will be for each post. So we will type another name. Create post. Yes. Now we will post with the post number 10. Okay. It is created. You can see this text box. In the name box, it is post 10. Now what we will do? Other all posts are aligned center and middle. When we create new post, we will adjust to that here. Okay. By manually. So this is the post 10. Here we can put the title as post 10. Okay. Under that, we can write our post, what we want to write here, anything, our daily activities. Okay, now it is created. Also you can search from this combo box. Let's search post number 3 and click the co button. The post 3 will be selected. You can see in the name box, select the text box, that is post 3. Let's go for post number 4. Go, that will be appear. You can see the history of each post. Also using the spin button, you can see the each post. You can see the post titles changing 3, 4, post 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's click the previous. Okay, 7, 8, 6. Okay, in this way you can think creatively and you can assign to each another places what you have to design something else. At the moment we have only in the profile and the home menu. You can create posts and view them. Also in the profile you can add your personal and every details. I will upload this file and give the link in the description. You can download this. Thank you.